Hi, today we are going to use DeepSeek and we will be basically building a simple app. So today our goal is to make an app a BMI calculator, for example. This is a BMI calculator, and here you can see that, for example, if you plug in your age, for example, age is 50 and the gender is male and the height is 180 and the weight is 70 kg. Now if I click calculate BMI, then what will happen? It will calculate the results, which is 21.6 in this case, and the weight is normal, and it says that congratulations, you are in a healthy weight range, maintain your healthy lifestyle with balanced nutrition and regular exercise. But if let's test it, if I say that my weight is 90 kg, then let's see. It says that you are overweight. You are in an overweight range. Consider making lifestyle changes through healthy eating and regular physical activity. But if I say that if I am 100 of kgs, then it will go to the danger zone, and it says that I'm obese. You are in the obese range. It is recommended to consult with healthcare providers about strategies for achieving a healthy weight. So we will be basically constructing this type BMI calculator using DeepSeek. So let's move to the DeepSeek. You are familiar with this tool, and let's ask the DeepSeek to make us a BMI calculator. So please make a web page based BMI calculator with a professional look and having all functionalities further. It should ask the user about age, height, gender, and should display results along with some color coding and a relevant message. Also include some basic information regarding BMI so that the page is optimized. Please give me code in a single HTML file. So I'm using its simple mode, not the deep think mode, because it is also capable to give me results. Later on in some other video, we will be using the deep think mode as well. So it's basically starting to give me code, but recently I have observed, and you have also observed, that this DeepSeek is a bit slow. I don't know why. It seems like more and more people are basically accessing this DeepSeek, and it is basically, yeah, it says that the service is busy, please try again later. Let's try once more and see if it gives the results If it gives the result, it's okay. Otherwise I will refresh the page and see whether it can give us the results or not, and we will test the results as well. So let us see that what type of code it's basically preparing for us. But before that, I'm going to show you how that code will be implemented. So there are different ways. The best way is to implement it on your website, but it is possible that there will be no website at the moment with you. So in that case, what will happen? So for that case, I'm going to give you a basically another option where you can use a temporary website where you can test the code and a page will basically be built. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to introduce testwp.com. This is basically a very good service which is free. You can set up basically a simple web page that is accessible to you and there is no sign up required. So let's try it. Currently working on it, adding your request to queue. There is a queue and let's see. Yes, it's done. Now we are accessing our website. So I'm there on my website now, on its backend basically, and we will be using our code here in a while. So let's see what happens to our code. Oh, it's again says that the server is busy. Let's try once more. So let's see what happens. If the server is again busy, then I will stop the video and see how it can be accessed. So let's pray that this time it work. Waiting. So at the moment, I would say that DeepSeek is good, but there are issues of this type that it's slow now and it's a bit annoying at the moment. Oh, it's again slow. So I'm stopping the video and let's try it once more and let's see what happens. So it started working and you can see that the code is basically being built by the DeepSeek. Let's wait for the code and see if the code is accurate or it's working fine or not. So let's see. We will basically go to our website now. We will access the dashboard and here we will make a new page on our test website. As I said earlier, this is free. You can test your codes here and you can deploy it and see whether it's working or not. Also, you can use different plugins over here as well for testing. So we are here on the page. We will write the title BMI calculator, BMI calculator, calculator, and here we will basically plug in our code. So here we will press the plus sign and search for the HTML. This is the HTML code. So now we will see whether the code is ready or not. Yes, it's ready now. And these are different details for the BMI coder, and here the usage instruction as well, that the enter age, gender, height and weight. Click the calculate BMI button and we will get the results. So let's copy the code. I'm copying the code and going to my page of the BMI calculator. I have pasted it and I'm going to publish it. Let's wait and see that if it's working or not. So if we push the view page button, then we will see that this is our BMI calculator. So let's enter the age button. The age is let's say 25, gender is male, height is 180, and weight for example is weight is for example let's say 70 kg. Let's calculate. Oh, so it says that the BMI is 21, category normal weight. You have a normal weight. Keep up the good work. Let's try for 80. Oh, it says it is also okay, 80 kg. If I say it's 90, then what will happen? Oh, I'm in the overweight category, and it says that you are overweight, consider losing some weight. And if I now press 100, then what will happen? Oh, this is the red category, obesity. You are obese, it is important to lose weight for better health. And there are some further details on the page, that what is BMI categories, etc. So now you can see that this is a very wonderful page, which is basically being designed by the DeepSeek. We have tested this, and in our upcoming videos we will use DeepSeek further for further tools and web page designs and its other applications. Thank you so much for watching.